भाइ गाउँले भाइ गाई नचाहि तिमीलाई नदेऊ हामीलाई गाली नराम्रो नसम्झी भए बरु दियौँ 2 पैसा बक्सी लड्दा पर्दै आयौँ हामी गाउँले भाइ आँखामा यो शीतल पारी चारीमा चारी थुपरी उडी आँखामा यो शीतल पारी चारीमा चारी कसरी खेल्ने हो जिन्दगीको जहाज आज यो शीतल पारी चरीमा चरी मुटुको गोजीमा घाँस तिम्रै कसपिरा यो शीतल पारी चरीमा चरी आँखामा यो शीतल पारी चरीमा चरी थुपरी उडी ए भन भन ए भन भन ए भन भन ए भन भन हाय हो ए भन भन ए भन भन ए भन भन ए भन भन हाय हो बहको दह चिरी चिरी गाई फर्काइलाई देऊ हराको घरमा मेरै छ पनि लैजाऊ चारी बहको दह चिरी चिरी गाई फर्काइलाई देऊ हराको घरमा मेरै छ पनि बहको दह चिरी चिरी गाई फर्काइलाई हराको घरमा मेरै सब Thank you for being here with us, and we are actually very, very happy and delighted to be here in front of you. It's a very different stage and a very different opportunity for us here, and it's not that we get to perform for a intergenerational audience very often. So, Bengaluru Poetry Festival, thank you for inviting us today. As you know, we are called Gaunle Bhai, and we'll be playing you our songs from 2 albums today. The first song was called Thupuri Udi. It was a starting point for us as a band, and that's why I think we chose to open with that today. The song kind of spoke about migration, because for us, all of us, between the 4 of us, are not, I mean, we belong to Bangalore now, but we weren't always from Bangalore, I guess. But identities is a blurry thing, and it moves on, and so we believe. But the next song will take you back to where we come from. It's called Maili Rani. It's a very small story that actually happened to me. As a young girl in a village, in my village, kind of was crying one day, saying, "Uncle, please tell my mother to let me go to the Mela that has come, because in the Mela usually there's a disco, and everybody goes there." The story is just this simple exchange, but actually her mother does let her go. And I guess if you keep letting things happen, people find newer horizons and boundaries. साथी सम्बिले तर मैले दिए नजानु कमानबारी फुलबारी मैला पानीलाई चोखाउने अति राम्री माइली रानी लगाई कस्ट्युममा मैचैलाई दङ्गाई गाउँ चाली रुन्छन् मान्छे नाच्न नपाई आज मेलामै डिस्को पार्टी साथी सङ्गीले तर मैले दिएन जाने बसिदिन्छे छोरी आँखा भिजाई गानामा काजल भिजाई मलाई हेरी भन्देऊ न मामै आमैलाई सम्झाई घर बरु चाँडै औला मै सक्ने गाउँ सब पार्ने माइलीले आमाले उर्खाइ एक्लै डर उसलाई गए बस्तीमा हावाले छोरी बेकारलाई सानो घरमै गरी सानो स्वर उचाइ छुन राखी ठुला सोच आँगनमा छोरी मुन्द पर्ने आयो आमाको यो मन घाम र पानीमा लुगा सुकाई भन्छिया मैले छोरी पकाउँदै कपालको लट्टा फुटाए लुट जासानी र पुरा छानछानी पानी पाऊ हाँसी हाँसी तिमीले जीवन भरि माइली रानी आमाको यो बोली नसुनी दुब्री हाँसोले गाउँ थकाई साथीको बिर्सना पहिला कहिले लागेको बिर्सना पहिला कहिले लागेको बिर्सना कसो गरी बिर्सिसक्यो बिर्सना Actually, that I read that maybe somebody would have asked, but I'm so glad that we are able to just speak to you directly. I think my answer to one question that why is music like yours or something like that relevant to what is going on today, I think I'll answer it with the next song, and the next song is called Nepali Ko Rela. I think it's important for us to find spaces like this where we can express and share our ideas, emotions, thoughts, because I think today we need to look at what lies in the periphery, and periphery necessarily does not just mean whatever is on the border, like physically on the border map of India, but actually periphery is a very subjective and a very complex idea that can exist inside one space. Sitting here in Bangalore, there may still be communities, groups, people who find themselves in a periphery of some way of looking at our community. So in a time when I guess we get to speak and raise our voice from different parts of this city, this country, there are like many, I think for a long time, people have, that has not been a possibility in some way, and I think today gives us that space. Coming from where we are from, there is a place called Gorkhaland, and and this song was written a long time ago as a critique to the kind of violence and the kind of political frustration we may have felt growing up. So, ladies and gentlemen, just like England, Gorkhaland. दस धारा नरुवायामा फर्किँदैन चेलीको मन दस धारा नरुवायामा पाउँदैनौ माइतीको माया
दस धारा नरुवायामा फर्किँदैन चेलीको मन दस धारा नरुवायामा पाउँदैनौ माइतीको माया
घरकै नानी माया मारी त्यागेछ ममता र प्रीति घरकै बासी गति छाडी लागेछ लालचको पानी
जाली देख्ने सस्तो जीवन बिर्सिरहने मानिसले मान्छेलाई खाने आत्मैको पीड मात्रले दुखे जरी लेख्ने सस्तो जीवन बिर्सिरहने मानिसले मान्छेलाई खाने आत्मैको पीड मात्रले दुखे दिदी बहिनीमा रिस रटेला साथी सङ्गमा शङ्काको मेला आमै नेपालीको रेला
For the next song is called Saryantra. It's an ode and a song to back home, to a river called Tisa and all the people, my friends and brothers, family, sisters, who live there. The place has been on an onslaught of like different kinds of industries ever since, for the last 100 years, and today lives under a dam and an upcoming military railway line. I think here, what I was speaking about peripheries, there is this idea of displacement in the song, and kind of it and all the emotions that perhaps come with it, sadness, anger, sorrow. But I think I'd just like to explain that displacement a little. Displacement wasn't just actually about a house, a room, like 4 walls and whatever, all the things you own inside it. But actually along with the room was your whole life and your whole world that was built around there. So actually to be displaced is a deep sense of losing all kinds of threads that perhaps make you feel yourself or have your sense of home or your world. That sense of you as a community is perhaps irreplaceable once you lose it. On a particular day, morning 4 a.m., bulldozers and the press came to destroy 10 houses in our block. This is the story about that day.
चिचाइ प्रतिमा यही गाउँ यही ठाउँ जागे मेरो माया उनी षड्यन्त्र फुकी पुत्लामै सास जोगिएर हेरी बसौँ जाग्यो हाम्रो ज्ञान तिस्ताको बगलमा बसी चिचाइ प्रतिमा यही गाउँ यही ठाउँ जागे मेरो माया छाई कालो छाया गुन्ज्यो हाँसी पहामा खोला सुक्यो हावा भागे पशु प्राणी माछा यही गाउँमा यही बनैमा डुल्ली सारा यो जीवन बितेन के माया तिस्ताको बगलमा बसी चिचाइ प्रतिमा यही गाउँ यही ठाउँ त्याग्यो मेरो माया बुढा गला बाला आउँछ बिहान खाजा खान थाउँछ गाउँ समिति पिकनिक खानु बोलाउँछ पिकनिकमै मौज मस्ती बित पैसा बिजुली छोकमा गर्दै सिक्ने छन् कतिले घरको किस्ती तिस्ताको बगलमा बसी चिचाइ प्रतिमा यही गाउँ यही ठाउँ त्याग मेरो माया ड्याममा बग्ने बिजुली पेर्छ खोला र चिबुनी कता हाम्रो खोपेको यहाँ अलकत्राकै मुनि यही गाउँमा यही बनैमा डुल्ली सारा यो जीवन बितेन के माया तिस्ताको बगलमा बसी चिचाइ प्रतिमा यही गाउँ यही ठाउँ त्याग्यो मेरो माया धुली हतियार डेक्ची पैसा पनि तस्बिर बाजा खैरी गाजा जे हातमै आउला बाँध्दै कि सक्छौ कि जानै खोगा बिहान सुर्के भुँडालाई थाहा भइले छोप्ला पुर्खादेखि डर बोकी मुर्दा जस्तै आँखा न्युज च्यानल हेरी पुरै नबुझी दिशा हिँड रिस गरियो कारिस ए बिरेडी बुलडोजर गाडी बुढोसित हिँड्छिन् ततै बिहान 4 बजी फर्किरहेछ घरकै बाहिर दिन्छ आसवानी बिचारा बढी दोकानमा र लडाइँ रुवा बासी पलामे चिसो हातले सिरो भुइँमा धुलो छटाई भन्छन् पैसा थापी सारा ड्रामा के यो रची सारा पाउँछ डोजर गाडी लाउँछ एक स्विङको सिमेन्टको घर मान्छे जस्तै भत्काउनु सजिलो ए बिरेडी युटर्न लगाई निस्पोछि त फर्के सबै न्युजको कर्मचारी टिस्टामा बग्यो पानी छिर्यो ट्राफिक तल माथि सिलिङवाला भत्की झर माझ बडा बसी चुपचाप काममा लागि माटो झ्यापल बोकी सधैँ गर्ने काममा छैन यसको सानो केही इटा इटा रड छाना सिमिङ चिपिङ गरी डाटा लोड गर्दा घरको मान्छे खाली मेमोरी हे बिरेडी बनाउने बिजुली माथको चोकमा भन्छन् बडा आँखामै हेरी मलाई त भाइ पाउँछ किन्नु मान्छेको जिन्दगानी अन्त सबलाई हाम्रो कथा लिन्छु जिम्मेदारी हट्नेहरू हटिहाले बर्खा महिना अघि निन्द्रै नलाग्ने पर्छ मुसलधार पानी दिनेश पिसीले भन्छ तिमीहरू थापी हाल मान्नेहरूलाई खोलाइ भन्छ तिमीहरू हटिहाल हे बिरेडी आन्दोलन जारी च्यानबाट फर्किआउँछ भूत राति राति हाम्रो गाउँकी सरब तेरो सम्पत्ति माथि भत्को साला तेरै दाम बत्ती पेउ बिजुली यहीँका सारी माथि नयाँ घर बनाउँछु घरको तल गोदा मनै बेल्चा थुपार्छु खनी खनी पहिरोबाट खोदाली निकाल्छु विषयको टिस्टा लाइन त सत्य हजुरलाई सम्झाउँछु doesn't mean beware, there is love still present. Doesn't mean there's no love there. I guess love has no, like, what do you call it? It's not even a boundary, it's not even a single color. I guess you'll find stories of love in everything. Somewhat not so serious, but I feel like there's one song that you usually write which becomes like the most.
Are people in front of me? I can't even see.
So, let me talk to you. You write like one true song in your life, something you can die with, and something you write after that you're happy even to die for. This is the love song I've written, and it's called Sanglong Adubi. And it's even for somebody who is here today. सीमाको पानी संलग्न डुबी निभेन यो छनको कासमा खुल्यो है ताले समय हाँसिनाथि सीमाको पानी संलग्न डुबी निभेन यो मनमा बाँचे मेटी नजाने तिम्रो मेरो कुरा मरि गए होला माया तारा माया जिउँदमै गाँसौँ नचिताई जागे मनमा चञ्चल्यो रहर नचिताई जागे मनमा चञ्चल्यो रहर सीमाको पानी संलग्न डुबी निभेन यो रहर छनको गाँसमा खुल्यो है ताली समय हाँसी नाची सीमाको पानी संलग्न डुबी निभेन यो रहर नजानी हो अनुभएन भित्रै छ नि स्थिति लुकाइराख्दा हराइ गए पनि माया जिउँदमै गाँसौँ ऐना नै बनी मेरै अघि उभियौ तिमी ऐना नै बनी मेरै अघि उभियौ तिमी सीमाको पानी संलग्न डुबी निभेन यो रहर छनको गाँसमा खुल्यो है ताली समय हाँसी नाची सीमाको पानी संलग्न डुबी निभेन यो रहर मसीले लेखे भागिराले तिम्रो मेरो कुरा मरि गए होला माया तारा माया जिउँदमै गाँसौँ यो मुनिलाई भात खानै पर्ने खेतमा बसे पर्खी रान्छौँ कहिले फल्छ भनी गाँठे यो मुनिलाई भात खानै पर्ने खेतमा बसे पर्खी रान्छौँ कहिले फल्छ भनी गाँठे ए सुन नानी आउ बस हाई छेउमा ए सुन नानी आउ बस हाई छेउमा तिमीलाई आउ बस छेउमा नानी माया छ नि यता चिप्लो के भटुङ्गा ए सुन नानी बसी गाउँसँगै सँगसँगै हेरी हो
Young people there, just like many other places in our country where all the young people are here, trying to look for work and construction places and security guards and many other ways of trying to make a living. Just like that, we are also here. We came also a long time back and haven't left ever. And it's really difficult to go back home. But there, I think, all the old people and amongst them, my dear brother Siddhant's grandmother, who's 98 years old, waits for us every day. We can never go, and she's very happy when we do, but we don't. Instead, we sing this song called Talo Gaunko Pallo Kulo.
तल्लो गाउँको पल्लो कुरो सधैँ बगिजाने 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 छैन तान यहीँ गाउँमा सानसान मसिना खेल्ने कुद्ने केटाकेटी बस्छन् खाली बुढा बुढी तल्लो गाउँको पल्लो कुलो सधैँ बगिजाने 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 तिहार आए दसैँ फर्किआए सारा बुढा पाकाका आशा नआउनेलाई निराशा बगिजाँदा अढि जाने भइदिएन माने 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 हेलु दाजुभाइ सुन दिदी बहिनी सबै बानै घरमा छोराले अब काम फर्की जाने हो हेलु दाजुभाइ सुन दिदी बहिनी सबै बानै घरमा छोराले अब काम फर्की जाने
But then when we grow up, we realize that it just surrounds us, it compels us. So we sing you this song. It's called Auntie's Warm Garden.
आन्टीको तातो बगैँचा मोरी तिर्खामा भमरी फुलको गुन्छोमा मोतिरा मोहनी मिठासमा भुलिएछ Kanina potila ota Jab jabe Gaza Sar sar sari राति हो कन्सिरी घामैमा रानीको वासना हराएछ आफ्नै छाया लिपटुली आकाशमा चम्किने सितारा तब थाके शरीर पर्यो हल्न छ सिताई अन्धकारमा बिर्निछ
Right. The last song we will sing you is called Kanchi Nini. It's the last song in our second album, Sunbari. What to say about this song? Dedicated to my mother and other women who raised me and other women who've inspired me. Let me just recall that actually it was about how I think it's dedicated to how the mother feels something was missed during her life. Like it was all good and all great, but she feels something was missing. Such that she goes out and enjoys herself as she wants to. Kanchi Nini. सोर्यो काँची दिएको मन अस्पतालमा बुझी बिमारी हिँचाओस् गएर घुम्ने साथीसँग सुन्न बहिनी मेरी खोस्यो थाहा नपाई जवानी उनी बिहा पनि भन्दै वाटकी केटी चम्किनी जामिना जफाटी सड्रेस लाइनी आम सङ्ग्राम्री स्याक्री घुम्दी बुढा नानी घरमा छाडेर भागी जम्ला बिहानको न्यानो घाममै सिङ्ग्रेर सँगै जम्न खाँदै पिउँदै घुम्न
बजाकै बिचा चौतारीमा पस छानसान बेटिनी निले आफ्नो मन तिखा मिठा टप्पीमा चाखनी रहर पुरा भई आँखा भारी आँसु छ नरिसा बहिनी मैले खप्न सकिन मनमा पकानी जिउनु साह्रो पीडा नितो छ नि त्यही फेरि छोरी सकिन नि मैले जान भागी राम छाडी के होला त्यस कि फुलदेखि मानिसकै छ पानी मास्ने टिपी जाउन बरु तिमीहरूबाट अघि बचिदिनी घरकै गाई लाल्छी
Well, thank you all for staying through the set for this whole 1 hour. Last 60 seconds of your enjoyment for today. Let me finish by thanking all of you here as well. Bengaluru Poetry Festival for having us here. Thank you so much. Then I must also thank these amazing familiar faces that are here each and every time we play in this city. Thank you so much, guys. You are keeping us sustainable. Let me introduce this band. Starting from Friends, Angarika Ketan in the crowd. They help us a lot, guys. Without Friends, we couldn't do this at all. Samuel Amulraj, our sound engineer who is not here today. We miss you instead, but thank you, Aditya. It was the greatest show. Ahir, our manager, who makes everything happen. Thank you, Ahir. Let me introduce this band. Joe Panikar on drums. Siddhan Mani Chetri on guitars. Anudha Dhakal on bass. Lastly but not least, all the crew guys that have been here with us today. The crew was the best. Leaving you with this all, I am Vichit. Thank you all. And we are the Kaunle Bhai.
Ah